To Hangman. Okay, to make life easier for myself, I've created a REPL and called it Hangman. Means that I can find it again afterwards. And for this bit, I'm not going to be needing to see the file so much, so I'm going to minimize that one. Means I've got more space to see my code and my console, which helps. Okay. Now, with Hangman, you might have chosen to have an easy, medium, and hard mode. I'm going to stick with one list of words for mine to begin with. You are more than welcome to create multiple, and I'll show you what to do for those ones. So if you have chosen an easy, medium, and hard, we'll create 3 different word lists to make it easier to go with in a second. Okay, so to make life easier for myself, I'm going to make sure I call it Hangman by Miss Marshall. All right, you're going to want to end up changing the name definitely, because your name is not Miss Marshall. And then you'll notice that if I press return, the run button at the top, it does absolutely nothing, because any line with a hashtag is a comment. It doesn't actually get run. Okay, so if I was going to have an easy, medium, and hard mode, I would create an easy list of words to guess. Maybe they've got a shorter list. Maybe it is all capital letters or all lowercase. Maybe they're all 5-letter words. Who knows what you're going to choose for yours? Smile. Let's go with that one. How I managed to put an A in smile, nobody knows. Okay, if I make this out a little bit bigger. So no matter what you've done, these are square brackets, or square parentheses, square brackets, or just normal brackets. Each word is surrounded by speech marks. They can be double or single. And each word is separated by a comma. Okay, you do not need to have the space. I just find it easier for me to read because I'm so used to seeing a space after a comma, so it comes on through. Now, if you're going to also have a medium, it's exactly the same thing as the line above. Slightly longer words, perhaps. Maybe it is. You want the correct spellings and the capital letters, so they'll be important. Looking around my desk for inspiration, who knows, as it comes on through. And there could be a hard mode list as well. As I said, I'm probably going to stick with the easy list and just one list to begin with. And you'll probably, to give it a little bit of challenge, want a minimum of 10 words in each list. So if you want to start just with the easy words and worry about anything else afterwards, in fact, I'm going to make my easy words all lowercase and worry about capitals as I go further along. Okay, so once you're happy that you've got your list, and I would pause it in a second just to make sure you've got at least 10 words in a list ready to go, you do want to check the spelling of them. This is where spending the time now to double check that you've got everything spelled correctly will save you an awful lot of trouble later on. Okay. All right. Once you're ready and you've got your list, I'm going to import from random, import choice. Okay. So choice allows us to pick from any list of words that we've got. Okay, or any list that we've got, because it doesn't actually have to just be words. I'm also going to, from random, import shuffle. Okay, I think I might not even use choice, you know. Oh, that'll be interesting. Let's take away choice. Oh. Right, so from random, import shuffle. So I'm going to shuffle my list of easy words, because I'm just going to use my easy ones to begin with. So to see what it does, if I print easy out first, shuffle it, and then print out easy, you'll see that I've got 3 words: hello, happy, smile. So to begin with, they're hello, happy, smile. And because there's only 3 words, the shuffle isn't always going to be completely different, but it is going to reorder them. See, it did stay exactly the same one for the last one. It is going to shuffle them into a different order. Okay. Laws of averages, there's only 3 words, it could shuffle them into the exact same one. Okay. All right. And for this one now, answer equals easy dot pop. Interesting. What is it doing? Print answer. Okay. So the shuffle will randomly position them into different orders. Pop takes the last word in that shuffled list. So once it's reordered them, it takes the last one off that list by popping it off the end, and that then becomes the word that we're going to guess. Again, this is why I'm saying have a list of at least 10. Mine are pretty much the same every single time because I've only got 3. Okay, and I'm going to leave this here as kind of like debug. I want to be able to check my answer at the end. All right, in fact, I will label it as debug to make sure it's easy to spot later on and take it out. Kind of like cheating. All right, I'm going to know as the programmer what my answer is going into this to make life easier. Okay, now if you check back on the Google Classroom, there's be some questions for you on this one before moving on to the next video. Good luck, over to you.